Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the reverse light switch on a Renault Espace. The reverse light switch is located on the gearbox, and it's on this car is located on top of the gearbox. So in order to get to the reverse light switch, first we need to remove the battery and the battery housing. So first we start by removing the battery. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In order to remove the battery housing, we need to remove those three screws. There are some plastics that are clamped to the battery housing. We need to remove them, and then we can take out the battery housing. Before being able to remove the battery housing completely, first I'm going to remove this positive cable that's going in between the battery housing. But before removing this positive cable, first I need to disconnect the battery. As the battery housing removed, now I need to remove this ECU. In order to remove the ECU, I need to remove those three electrical connectors and that nut right there. Now that everything is removed, I can take out the ECU. Now we have access to the reverse light switch. The reverse light switch is located right there, the green one. So first we need to disconnect the electrical connector. There's a tab that we need to pull out and just then take out the connector. Next, I'm going to remove the reverse light switch. In order to remove it, I need a long socket size 24. To remove it, I'm just going to untighten it, get it loose, and then remove it. And that's the reverse light switch out. Now I'm going to replace the reverse light switch with the new one. That's the new reverse light switch. I'm going to put it on and tighten it. After I tighten the reverse light switch, I'm going to put on the electrical connector, and then I'm going to assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.